guys.
These are dirty.
We're playing around with our new toy that we, well, it's not a toy, but our new camera that we got.
It's
while
a
also
fucking toy.
having the drugs.
Okay, so today, let's get right into it because we never introduce or anything. They never know what the fuck's going on. We just pop up on camera.
We just be here.
Okay, so today we're having the Pineapple Express hybrids from Plus. Fun fact, all of Plus's edibles are kosher. So if you're Jewish and you're looking for some kosher edibles, try Plus.
She needs to be sponsored. And sorry for my face. My face is numb because I start to smile and I can see it in the camera. I went to the dentist today and my face is still a little numb, but drugs it is.
Hey, dog, you need to hook it up.
Oh, sorry.
I really don't know where my knife is at.
My bad. In my head, I opened yours.
Well, shit. Now you did. Thank you.
You're welcome. She's the weed expertise now.
I'm
learning.
Oh, pretty good.
I really like the texture of these. I feel like the texture is on point. They're small. They don't taste bad. We've had the grape flavor. This is pineapple, and we've had the lemon. I like all of them, even though I don't like grape flavored anything because grape flavored shit is disgusting.
Yeah.
They're small.
Yeah, I just ain't mine, but yeah, they're small.
But you know, I feel some way about the single-use plastic. I'm trying my best.
Yeah, they come in 10s, and I think they come 20 still. I think everything's 5. They come babies like that. Anyway, so we're on our way to get some food with a friend. So hopefully, if we remember, we will see you guys there.
My mouth works better.
A little bit, barely.
I only feel it in this cheek right here. I don't feel it down here anymore. I feel like when I was a kid, the numbing was forever.
Yes,
I
felt
fell
that.
asleep, stayed asleep for the rest of the day. I would wake up and my shit would still be numb.
Yeah, mine was too like that. I think that we broke all of our hats.
By putting them in the washer?
Yeah, that and like where we put them at.
Oh well. It's cold.
should have banked you. I almost did, but I couldn't fit it in the thing. at you. Oh, I can't see the screen at all.
You
With
know you
this.
can't see it with those glasses on.
That's crazy. What is the lighting? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at the view.
We out here in Santa Catalina Island off the coast of Southern California.